Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to enable Secure Boot in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open Settings by typing Settings in the search or clicking the Windows Start button and selecting Settings. Next, go to Windows Update on the left side, then tap Advanced Options. Scroll down and find Recovery, then tap Advanced Startup and choose Restart Now. Confirm by tapping Restart Now again. After your computer restarts, you will see a Choose an Option screen. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally UEFI firmware settings to enter your BIOS. Your BIOS may look different depending on your motherboard brand, but use arrow keys or mouse to navigate. Look for Secure Boot under Settings, Security, or Advanced. If you cannot find it, search online for your motherboard model and secure boot instructions. After enabling Secure Boot, save configuration and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart back into Windows. Check system information again to confirm Secure Boot state is now on. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.